What's going on, guys? It's Zeno here, and today is not only a nice, beautiful day outside. Today is my 100 subscriber and birthday video. So, happy birthday to me and congratulations to me. I never honestly thought I would get to 100 subscribers. I honestly thought I was going to stay stuck around the 50s, maybe. But So today's video, I was going to show my two new bays I was going to make, but some difficulties came and I decided just to hold that off to maybe 150 subscribers or 200 subscribers because the system that I'm working on is kind of harder than I thought to make. So today I'm just going to do an all-out battle, not a battle royale, but different battles throughout the video for this with these bays. So these are all the bays that we're going to be battling with, and yeah, they all had different combos that I will announce as I pick them. So let's get started. Alright, first up, let's see, we got Shield Chrono versus Iron Goat. So let's get into the first battle. Shield Chrono is a good defense type, but so is the Iron Goat himself. And winner goes to Iron Goat. I am going to do 2 battles per bay just to make it go faster, but also I have more time to do more battles. So here we go, round 2. Okay, let's try that again. Round 2. Chronos, come on, and with the free spinning layer, and Chrono has been eliminated. Well, not really eliminated, but he was defeated. Alright, round 2. Oh yeah, the combos I used was I totally forgot the disc, but it's defend, and on Chrono it's the usual stock combo. Chrono 7 proof dash. Oh, I didn't notice it was in attack. Operate. But maybe I should, yeah, I'm going to do one more with it being in the pin to see if it wins. Chrono is getting some hits in. But will it be enough? The reason why I call it Iron Defense because its defense, its stamina when it comes to the base is crazy. And I hurried this up because I'm getting attacked by bees. So next up, it's Spine Leviathan, 5 tail survive versus, let's see, we'll be going against Cosmic, if it will, there we go, Cosmic, I've never really thought of a name for this, Draco, Cosmic Draco, double O, destroy. Cosmic Draco. Alright, here we go, round 1. And they're both in. The frame is off. And a first finish. 2 points. Cosmic Draco is out. Okay, not only is it a nice, hot, surprisingly really hot day, there are bees out here, and I'm afraid of one hitting me and stinging me. But and oh yeah, and it's the first day of spring. Well, anyway, on to the next battle, which will be Valkylie's 6 Hurricane Power versus Trio Chrono. I was about to call it Chrono. Trio Callium 0 Cross Sing. So here we go. Starting round 1. And Valkylie is going in for the attack. Chrono is going off balance a bit. Got picked back up, and the winner is Oh, I made 2 commission Beyblades, and I cannot say the names apart. Oh my god. Callium. This is Chrono. This is Callium. 2 different bays. I'm sorry, Sora and Cosmo. I'm honestly am. I didn't mean to actually mix up the names. Okay, round 2. That was a point to Callium. And it's off. Stalling out. There we go. The hits are in. Callium is actually slowing down. But Achilles has lost all of his power. Callium has won. Alright, next up will be Hiro. Oh yeah, this is what I told you about this on Discord, but this is what I meant. See, the storm frame, it actually kinda adds like another point, but then once it gets halfway, it starts lining up with all 4 contact points. The owner of Hiro will know what I mean. But today it will be Hiro versus let's see, Alpha Fenrir. This is the name I had for it. Alpha Fenrir. Hiro versus Alpha Fenrir. So here, let's go with round 1. And it got knocked out. And Hiro finished it off. Oh yeah, combo. Alpha Fenrir 12 Vortex. Jolt Dash. Hiro 12 Storm Reboot. Here we go, round 2. Alpha Fenrir is going around. Hiro's digging into there. And Frank comes off. I don't think it broke. It didn't break. Actually, yes it did. Yes it did. I can never rely on a storm frame. And I didn't even see who won. So I'm gonna guess it was Alpha Fenrir who lost. If it wasn't, then I'll do one more battle just in case. So, here we go. Fenrir's going around. And a knockout. So, that will be the last one. I'm gonna assume that Alpha Fenrir lost because of stamina. And Hiro won. So here we go. Next round will be Fenrir versus I'm just telling you this, I just woke up not that long ago too. So my brain is still trying to, yeah. But Plague Fenrir versus Royal Drakken. Royal Drakken, 10 glaive boost. Plague Fenrir. What's this? Plague Fenrir, 7 under iron. I can already see the outcome of this battle, to be honest. And a double knockout. Round 2. I already saw the outcome. Alright. Next up, Nova Drakken versus Dawn Fenrir. I have way too many Fenrir evolutions. Oh yeah. Dawn Fenrir has the fake blitz, so it's Dawn Fenrir fake blitz, fusion, slingshot, and Nova Drakken real blitz, destroy. I got the fake one with the Ace Dragon, so I don't know. Here we go. And contact has been made. And the winner is Nova Drakken. I keep hearing bees. Oh my god. Okay, round 2. Snipe shot. Okay, here we go. Work with me here, please. This one wants to be difficult today. There we go. And will the power come out, or will it just stay behind the armor? And it's leaning down. The winner is... It was a close call, but the winner was Nova Drakken. I think I accidentally turned up my... okay. There. Alright. Final two will be Shadow Fox versus King. I am honestly just making up the names as I am going right now. So King Ridox. Ridox actually sounds cool. I'll stick with that. King Ridox. Okay, here we go. Round one. This thing does, and I forgot this thing does not like staying on the launcher. King Ridox takes that. I know I said I'm going to be announcing the parts, but there's way too many for me to do. But Shadow Fox have four. Crap. Was it lift? I think lift. 4 lift. Defend, and Ridox have 8, I think. Yeah, that's 8. 8 Hunter. Go. Ridox is practically knocking it around. But stamina wise, Fox got it. Okay, final round. And it goes out and bursts. There we go. It's a nice, very nice hit, but a first finish. What? And it went out of focus, but... Well, I guess Shadow Fox wins. Alright. So, I was doing an elimination battle because I have so many and I thought, why not? So, here's the next round of the whole elimination battle. It is Nova Drakken. It's Nova Drakken versus Trio Callium. Here we go. Round after getting the base set up. 1. Drakken, why? Why, Drakken, why? There we go. Some nice, calm attacks. Drakken. Callium has some very nice defense too. And the winner is Callium with 1 point. I feel like Callium will go all the way, being the underdog throughout this whole thing, because the rest of the bays are more attack types, and Callium's the only defense type. Here we go. Next round. Thought Drakken would do more heavier attacks, but it's a defense battle now. And the winner is gonna be probably Drakken. Callium's going down. Drakken has won with the LED. Thing is, I launched Drakken at first. Weird. Alright, here we go. And that one tap. I did not like that, so I'm going to do one more. Even though that probably counted, I didn't like it. Because I want actually a longer battle. So here we go. Drakken is going around, is circling around Callium, and there's the contact. These are Callium's defense is kicking in, and Drakken is the winner is going to be. That was a tie. Was on the edge of the stadium. I thought it was about to go off. It was literally like right here on the stadium, and then went back in. The bays are slowing down. The winner is Drakken, going to the next round. Okay, so now I don't need the right rotating launcher because the rest are pretty much right spins. So here we go. It's the Iron Goat versus Spine Leviathan. I honestly hope the Iron Goat loses. Here we go, and Spine Leviathan is getting some nice hits. Well, it's circling around now, but there we go. And the frame comes off. And it's ending the defense. Oh no! The defense is over 9,000. And Iron Goat takes it. Alright, next round. And when it goes out. Yep, come here. Okay. Okay, here we go. Go the Bison! Spine attack. And it fails. Uh-oh, maybe not. Leviathan can keep it on the spine. Maybe we'll actually lose, but nope. The defense is just way too strong. Iron Goat takes it. Leviathan has been eliminated. Alright. Next up, Hiro versus Shadow Fox. Dark Fox, I mean. Then like that. So here we go. Hiro again. Here we go. And Hiro takes it out. Next round. Yep. And I didn't see who did that. And bounced off. I'm just gonna give it to Hiro. So I got one more bay that didn't really get in. So here is Goddess Angela. So next up is Drakken versus Angela. Angelic, I mean. Well, easy clap. Okay, 4 bays left. Let's go. Dragon versus Iron Defense. So here we go. Iron Goat. And Iron Goat takes that point. Here we go. Well, Iron Goat has defeated Drakken. Next up, Hiro versus Nova Drakken. Yep. Wow. It slipped. I might have to end this soon because my leg's going completely numb. There we go. Battle's started. First round goes to Nova Drakken. Almost bursted too. Okay, here we go. And it hit the side. And a knockout goes to Hiro. It's 1-1. Round. And whoa, that jump though. And the winner is Nova Drakken, going on to the final round versus Iron Goat. There we go, final battle. Everyone should know who's gonna win. Drakken is catching up. And well, we shall know who's gonna win anyway. Drakken is slowing down. Wait, what? Wait. Drakken actually won that? Sorry for the pause, some interruption came along. Okay, so Dragon 1 point, Goat 0. So here we go, final round. Okay, Drakken's stuck. Here we go. Okay, I don't honestly get what's wrong with Drakken. Nova Drakken had that problem. I don't think Royal Drakken did. Only Nova Drakken never. I mean, Nova Drakken always had this problem. Okay, there we go. Had to almost mess up my setup for that. Okay. Alright, Drakken. And there's Skip again. And the winner is Nova Drakken. Nova Drakken has won this whole battle. Throughout all the bays, Nova Drakken has won. So that will be it for today. Like and subscribe if you like my content. Again, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It really means a lot to me, and I will continue on working hard to be better and recording better and stuff. And yeah, again, thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, join my Discord, and come chill out with me and my friends. And you can even get one yourself. Get a core lock system yourself. But anyway, that'll be it for today. This is Zeno signing out, and have a wonderful, fantastic day.